Start. 30 seconds. High stepping. You can feel your heartbeat quickening. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next, 30 seconds. Side hop. Three, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Side hop. Do this exercise at a speed that makes you feel comfortable. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next, 12 lunges. 6 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 lunges. 6 each side. Take a big step forward. Take a rest. Next, 10 claps overhead. Three, 2, 1. Start. 10 claps overhead. Take a rest. Next, 12 adductor stretch in standing. 6 each side. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 adductor stretch in standing. Squeeze the butt of the stretching side to increase the stretch. Take a rest. Next, 12 butt bridge. This workout should be done on a mat. Three, 2, 1. Start. 12 butt bridge. This exercise strengthens your lower back. Take a rest. Next, 10. Fire hydrant left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Fire hydrant left. 'Take a rest. Next. 10. Fire hydrant right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Fire hydrant right. 'Take a rest. Next. 35 seconds. Plank. 3, 2, 1. Start. 35 seconds. Plank. Don't sink or raise your hips. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Butt kicks. Three, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Butt kicks. It's a cardio exercise that can strengthen your gluteus and hamstrings. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. Next. 10 lunges. 5 each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 lunges. 5 each side. Take a rest. Next. 8 claps overhead. 3, 2, 1. Start. 8 claps overhead. 'Take a rest. Next. 10 adductor stretch and standing. 5 each side. Three, two, one. Start. 10. Adductor stretch in standing. Take a rest. Next. 12. Butt bridge. Three, two, one. Start. 12. Butt bridge. This exercise strengthens your lower back. Take a rest. Next. 8. Fire hydrant left. Three, two, one. Start. 8. Fire hydrant left. Thirty seconds. Cobra stretch. Three, two, one. Start. 30 seconds. Cobra stretch. Breathe slowly while holding yourself up. Half the time. 10 seconds left. Three, two, one. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Child's pose. Three, two, one. Start. 30 seconds. Child's pose. Please make sure there is enough space between your shoulders and ears. Half the time. 10 seconds left. Three, two, one. Take a rest. Next. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch left. Three, two, one. Start. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch left. Breathe naturally. Half the time. 10 seconds left. Three, two, one. Take a rest. Last exercise. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Knee to chest stretch right. Breathe naturally. Half the time. 10 seconds left. 3, 2.